louder. Louder, talk louder.
Okay. This we're developing this project this semester. So you will ask how to do a designer working with agriculture. So that we do in design is use different tools that help us to identify in a processing service in different things like opportunities where we can improve some things with some service or product that we make. So what is urban agriculture? This is the process of food production in urban areas. And this use organic techniques like compost, recycling of rainwater, and allelopathy. And the idea of this is the production of clean food for the marketing and for the home consumption. This is the project that we are working now, and this is the network of urban farmers in the locality of Santa Fe. What do you see here is the trajectory of this project, and this started in 2009, and this year, and now the thing is that is a lot of the project is something that help persons who are interested in make this practice, and it's a social action program of the mayor of Bogota. And the idea is that these entities with the SENA help this person to make the orchard. And this is the orchard that we are studying. And the objective of the project that is the promote of food security, citizens with the right to equal food. And the idea is that this person have this orchard and can eat from it, and sell these foods as well. This is Elena Villamil. She is our main contact, and she is one of the owners of the orchards that make part of this network in the locality where we are working. She started her orchard 5 years ago, and what she wants is know where the food come from. So she started to research, and the SENA helped her to build her orchard. So now she made part of the network that I told you, and this is the Bogota's map, where you can see some orchards that make part of these networks, that is these red points. And for making it clearly, we are here, and the current situation is that this is a network that now doesn't have the support of the entities that help them to progress and to make the project. So they decide to start to be independent organization, and the idea is that they want to be like one organization that work together and sell the product as one. But the problem that they have they are so far away from each other. They don't know, for example, here is the orchard of Elena, and she don't know the orchard of the part of are in Laches or something like that. So that's the problem that they have now. And for this problem, for this situation, they have a lot of problem of communication and all of these things. So other aspect that we can see is the difference between the orchard, because the ground is so important and the site in this are different, and the context, because there are persons that live in some poor areas. So for someone it's more easier sell the product and further no. So what we propose until now is to make the organization of Mingas in micro networks, because with what we see here is that they work together, but it depends in the proximity between the orchards. So if these orchards are more near closeness, these orchards are closeness, they are going to work together. And this is what makes that the project could progress and have a future. So the Mingas is something that is like an event where the person go to work with some I don't know, in this case in a specific orchard, and the idea is that in this day all of contribute to this well in this work, and that is what we propose until now, because as we see here that there's no the network isn't work like a big network, because there's no fabric social that is that this project has as an objective. So we see like the importance of the communal work as an important support for the development of a communal and social action program like this. Question?
No questions? She needs a question. It's a part of the thing is that you have to ask a question and she has to answer a question. Okay, what exactly was the problem? Like, I wasn't really sure what.
The problem was that they need to work together, but they don't communicate with each other because of the distance.
Okay.
And how I see them up, there's a person that are so far away and other person that are here, and they say, we want to work together as an organization, but if they don't communicate with each other, there's some orchard that don't know what the other want to do. And there's two that say, no, we are like, I'm the president and I'm going to organize that, organize that, and I don't know, like, you are going to do that and we are going to do that, and yes,
Yeah.
but the other doesn't know that, and that's the problem, that there's no communication, there's no organization that we have in their mind, and if they don't organize that, it doesn't going to work.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thanks.